On today's quick tech tutorial video, we are going to be signing up for the Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN Plus bundle. Let's do it. So the first thing we need to do is choose where we are going to be signing up for the platform. Now for me, going to hulu.com on my web browser is my absolute favorite way to do this. There's a couple of reasons. One, it reminds me that I always need to go to this specific platform if I want to change my subscriptions. If I've signed up for this under some other platform, maybe through Apple or maybe on Amazon or through your TV, it can be tough to remember where these subscriptions are hosted when you're ready to cancel them. So I sign up on hulu.com and I also will come back here to unsubscribe. So when you go to hulu.com, you basically will come to a homepage and that looks like this. And you can choose to either just get Hulu or like what we're doing today, we're gonna get the Disney bundle. Come down here to sign up for Hulu only. Okay, once we are here, we need to choose our plan. And for me, that's gonna be the no ad version. So I'm gonna come over here for $19.99 a month. You can choose the ad-based version and it's only $13.99 a month right now. But for me, I'd rather pay that extra $5 and get rid of the ads completely. Let's go ahead and select this. Okay, at this point, we're going to be inputting all of our information. You can see you need an email, password, your name, your birth date, and then your gender. And that will allow you to create an account. You've inputted your account information and set up a new account, or you can sign in if you've already had an account. You're going to be led to this billing info page. So here's the breakdown of our subscription. Again, remember this is with no ads. You can see there's also a bundle discount down here, which is great. You can also change plans down here if you'd like to try something different. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, total due today is $19.99 for the first month. And then we can input our credit card information or PayPal information. Now, once you've inputted that information, you can see that we're all set. Our card has been charged at $19.99. We can start watching Hulu right now on this platform, or at this time we can go to our smart TV or other device and we can log in using those same credentials that you set things up with. Last thing we need to do is obviously activate Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Let me click on this. Make sure you enter your same email address that you used to sign up on Hulu, and then let's come down here and click agree and continue. We're gonna have to enter our same password that we used for Hulu. And as you can see, we are ready to start streaming Disney Plus. As you can see, we can also click here and we can start streaming ESPN Plus if we want as well. Again, download these apps on your TV or your favorite smart device, and you should be all set. I hope this has helped, friends. Now remember to subscribe because we've got a bunch more tech tutorial videos that we are creating just for you. We'll see you again on the next one.